Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the process of downloading and configuring a vulnerability scanner. The vulnerability scanner we are going to be downloading or using for this video is actually a Nessus vulnerability scanner. As we all know, Nessus is a very popular vulnerability scanner, so for that we are going to be using it. Hello guys, okay, now it's time to install Nessus. So to install it, you can go to our browser, any browser of your choice. So in my case, I will use Brave. Then we'll open our browser. You can simply type download Nessus. So we'll go to the Tenable Nessus download page. We will try and download the latest version. Okay, this is the latest version. The platform we are looking for is actually Debian. Yes. Okay, Linux Debian. You can click on download. If you are also interested in downloading it through the CLI using Coil, this is also the download. You can actually copy it. But in this case, I will download it through the browser anyway. We agree to the terms. Okay, I will leave it in my download directory. Nessus is actually downloading at this moment, so we are going to give it some time. Alright, as you can see, the download is complete. Now the next step is to head straight to the terminal and install it with the Debian package manager. So that is exactly what we are going to do. We will go to the terminal and install it. Now I'm on my download directory. As you can see, we have the Nessus here, but to be able to use it, we have to actually install it with the Debian package manager. So to do so, you type in the following command. We give it the file or the name of the file, which is Nessus. Autocomplete. It is installing. Okay, Nessus is fully installed now. Now next is to actually start the service. So as you can see, you can start Nessus scanner by typing this command. So I'm going to copy it. Paste it. Okay, now that the service is running, then the next step is to actually go to this address, or this can be your local host or whatever. So I'll copy the link or open link. In this case, it's not working. Yeah. Then we'll go advanced. Proceed. Nessus is initializing. Continue. We are going to be using the Nessus Essential because this is free. We'll continue. Then the next step is to do the registration so that you can get an activation code. In this field, you are going to give it your name and your email. After your registration, you should get your activation code. The next step is to create a user account. So in this case, I'll be creating as the username will be, let's say, student. Then I'll give it my password. then submit. We'll wait for Nessus to initialize. It's actually downloading the plugin, so this may take some time, so for that reason I'll be pausing the video. Okay, we are here in the GUI, but unfortunately it's still compiling the plugin, so we still have to wait. Now the compilation is almost complete. It's at 99%, so very soon it will complete. Alright, the plugins are done compiling, so in theory now we can start performing our scan. For example, let's create a new scan. From here we have the possibility to perform a host discovery, a basic network scan, advanced scan, and the others. So that is the end of this video. In the next video we'll be actually performing the scan. So for this video, this is the end. See you in the next video. And again, if you like this video, you can subscribe, share, comment. Alright, thank you. See you in the next video.